Managing Director of Neeru's and Chairman for the Telangana Chapter of Retail Association of India, RAI. So today we are here for the Hyderabad Retail Summit 2024 at ITC Hotel. I think this is the first time the summit is seeing such a huge gathering of all the retail brands from the city of Hyderabad and the state of Telangana. Today we are here with more than 500 delegates, more than 40 speakers from across the country, lot of panel discussions and lot of gathering and sharing of knowledge and networking, which is the reason for the Hyderabad Retail Summit. So it's all retailers under one roof. We are here to discuss retail, to discuss how we can grow, to discuss policies, government intervention and sharing of knowledge. We were very happy to have Shri Jayesh Ranjan ji, the Principal Secretary for IT, Commerce and Industries from the Government of Telangana, to be the guest of honor and give us this privilege of conducting this Hyderabad Retail Summit. Today we've also recognized a lot of icons of Hyderabad, where we have awarded the top brands from the city of Hyderabad, a lot of legacy brands from Hollywood Footwear to Chemas to RS Brothers to GMR Retail to Nilofer Cafe, Sarat City Mall, Chermas and many more. So I think this was one day where we have done a lot of brainstorming with all the retail fraternity, and this is a summit which is here to stay. So this is a yearly program that we do every year, and this year we've just grown multifold from the last year that we've did. And next year, definitely this is going to be one of the IT event for retail from the entire country. We have a lot of panel discussions by a lot of CEOs and managing directors of a lot of brands. We are also doing a lot of one-on-one fireside chats with D2C brands which are here. For example, we are doing a great story on the Neiman's footwear, which has become one of the great story for D2C. We are also doing a lot of roundtables with a lot of first and top management of a lot of brands. So it's a day where we interact with a lot of brand owners and the top management, and we take a lot of information back home to implement and to grow the business together. And eventually the whole agenda to do this Hyderabad Retail Summit is to represent one as one for the retailers and to be a part strongly of the Retailers Association of India and grow this Telangana Hyderabad chapter much bigger and make it the it place for retail in the country. So today we had more than 500 members coming in, out of which I think we are close to more than 180 brands that have been part of the Hyderabad Retail Summit today, and more than 50 speakers from across the state and also from the country who have come.
जो రిటైలర్ బిజినెస్ కోసం చేసిండు, దానికోసం ఇంత మంచిగా చేసిండంటే ఇప్పుడు మన హైదరాబాద్ అంటే తెలంగాణ అంటే నంబర్ 1 ఇండియాలో ఉన్నది. ఇట్లాంటి ఇండియాలో ఈ రిటైలర్కు ఎక్కువ అంటే పుష్ చేసేదానికి ఆర్ఏజో చేస్తున్నది అంటే మాకు సంతోషము. ఇవాళ నాకు అవార్డు వచ్చింది. అట్లనే మన ఫ్రాంచైజీస్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి మన రిటైలర్కి అదే నాకు ఎట్లా సపోర్ట్ మా కొడుకు చేస్తున్నాడు. అందరు కొడుకులు వాళ్ళ బిజినెస్కు ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ చేయాలి, నా కొడుకు ఎట్లా చేయాలి, వాళ్ళ కొడుకులకు నేను ఇది ఇస్తున్నా. మీకు ఇంకా హైదరాబాద్లో బ్రాంచెస్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలంటే ఫ్యామిలీ సపోర్ట్ పక్కా ఉండాలి. ఫ్యామిలీ సపోర్ట్ ఉంటే ఇంకా ముంగట బ్రాంచెస్ తీయచ్చు. అది నా కోరిక.
Myself started in my grandfather started in 1946 with the name Hollywood, and 1946. Can you imagine at that time he thought about Hollywood? Now we are two brothers are there. My father was also there, but after that my two brothers, myself and my younger brother Asif, we have started the firm and we are running very good in habits. We are 2-story habits. Now we are planning to expand one more store sometime maybe after 4 months. But actually while seeing the market, we have seen that ethical and morally if you do business, then you can go ahead always, any business. And my grandfather taught me that, ethical business. And my father also taught me the ethics of business. So these were the pillars. After that, we have learned a lot from them. And my family, they stood like a rock. They suffered because I am in the shop. I cannot take them out. We cannot have holidays. But they have done it, and by grace of God, they are doing very good. And the customers part also I can say, their confidence, their faith, Since 4 generations people are coming. Someone comes that I was coming with my grandmother, then mother, myself settled in Delhi, but for footwear I have to come. Whenever I come to Hyderabad, I come to Hollywood. So we heard that we thank them because these are our backbones. All the customers are my backbones. So thank you for everything.